The flu drug favipiravir has shown promise in preventing COVID-19 infection in rodents when administered in high doses, says a study. Also read, COVID-19 vaccine latest update, Johnson & Johnson pauses vaccine trials due to unexplained illness in participant. Further research will have to determine whether humans can tolerate a high dose of favipiravir. Favipiravir, a broad-spectrum antiviral drug used in Japan to treat influenza. Also read, Trump tests negative for COVID-19, returns to campaign trail in Florida. Because we administered the drug shortly before exposing the hamsters to the virus, we could establish that the medicine can also be used prophylactically, so in prevention, said Suzanne Kapte from Rieger Institute. Also read, no consensus on GST compensation, says Nirmala Sitharaman after 9 states reject center's solution. If further research shows that the results are the same in humans, the drug could be used right after someone from a high-risk group has come into contact with an infected person. It may likely also be active during the early stages of the disease. General preventive use is probably not an option, however, because it is not known whether long-term use, especially at a high dose, has side effects. In the hamsters, we detected hardly any side effects, said Leen Delum from KU Leuven. The researchers used hamsters for the study as the rodents are particularly suitable for SARS-CoV-2 research because the virus replicates itself strongly in hamsters after infection. Moreover, hamsters develop a lung pathology similar to mild COVID-19 in humans. This is not the case with mice, for example. For this study, published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, the team gave the hamsters either hydroxychloroquine or favipiravir for 4 to 5 days. They tested several doses of favipiravir. The hamsters were infected with the SARS-CoV-2 virus in 2 ways, by inserting a high dose of virus directly into their noses or by putting a healthy hamster in a cage with an infected hamster. Drug treatment was started 1 hour before the direct infection or 1 day before the exposure to an infected hamster. 4 days after infection or exposure, the researchers measured how much of the virus was present in the hamsters. Treatment with hydroxychloroquine had no impact, the virus levels did not decrease and the hamsters were still infectious. Despite the lack of clear evidence in animal models or clinical studies, many COVID-19 patients have already been treated with hydroxychloroquine, explained Jonah Rocha Pereira from KU Leuven. Based on these results and the results of other teams, we advise against further exploring the use of hydroxychloroquine as a treatment against COVID-19, a high dose. A few days after the infection, the virologists detected hardly any infectious virus particles in the hamsters that Moreover, hamsters that were in a cage with an infected hamster and had been given the drug did not develop an obvious infection. Those that had not received the drug all became infected after having shared a cage with an infected hamster. A low dose of the drug favipiravir did not have this outcome. For breaking news and live news updates, like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Read more on latest lifestyle news on India.com. Topics: Coronavirus COVID-19 Favipiravir Health Hydroxychloroquine Influenza Vaccine Published date, October 12, 2025 p.m. IST. Please support us to grow my channel by subscribing and pressing the bell icon for future interesting lifestyle videos.